this is a pineapple jelly. Now, you cannot set pineapple juice, or fresh pineapple juice, with gelatin. Pineapple contains an enzyme, a biological catalyst, that effectively eats the protein, which stops it from setting. As we saw earlier, the gelatin itself is extracted from meat and bones, or effectively protein. There's a very simple way to demonstrate the power of this enzyme at home. Take a piece of pineapple, like this, and basically just cut a piece, not too big, but just enough so you can fit it underneath your top lip. Excuse the slurping noises. Okay, now you need to leave this under your lip for 5 to 10 minutes. And what will start to happen is you'll get this very mild throbbing sensation, which will then become stronger. My gums are now starting to throb. It's actually becoming a little bit uncomfortable. The enzyme is so ferocious, it immediately starts attacking the proteins in your gums, which soon get very uncomfortable. It would attack gelatin in just the same way. That's it. It's now throbbing quite strongly. Oh. Once you've done that, you really can see how it's very difficult for a sheet of gelatin, which effectively is protein, to set the juice made from a pineapple. So, I'm going to show you a technique which I discovered a couple of years ago. And effectively, by using this, we can make our pineapple jelly. First, take some fresh pineapple juice and pour into a pan. Meanwhile, take some sheets of gelatin and soften them in cold water. Gently heat the pineapple juice and add to it 1 chopped capsicum, red chilli, seeds as well. This is the magic ingredient, as it contains a chemical that destroys the enzyme in the pineapple, allowing you to make the jelly. When the pineapple juice is warm to hot, gently remove the gelatin leaves from the water. They should now be very soft. Squeeze the excess water off the leaves and carefully add to the pineapple juice. Now simply stir the pan until the gelatin is dissolved into the pineapple juice. Pass through a fine sieve into a bowl or mould of your choice and store in the fridge until set. This should take 2 to 4 hours. And then serve. Simple.